Hello my little friends, today I'm going to teach you how to make a butterfly. Now there are hundreds of ways to make a butterfly, but I'll try and make it very simple using shapes. So what we're going to do is, I think all of us know how to make triangles and semicircles, so we'll primarily rely on that to make a butterfly. So here's what we need to do. We need to make two triangles, okay? So we're going to make one triangle here, okay? And then leave some space and make another triangle. So that's your second triangle, okay? Now what I want you to do is make a semicircle, but leave some space on your triangle. So your triangle goes all the way here, so leave some space on both the sides and now make a semicircle. Okay, so one and then two. Okay, so you've made two triangles and two semicircles. Now what I want you to do is, now with your so you have to do it with a very light pencil to just kind of give a shape here, after which we are going to actually draw the wings out of these. So what I want you to do is now take this and now you can make it a little darker. Now we go out of this triangle and make some curvy designs like this. Okay, so you're going to use the same triangle, but you're going to go out of that and make these little curvy waves. And when you come here, you can actually cut this a little steep into the middle section. So the same thing you're going to do to this particular triangle as well. You're going to make some curvy waves out, and then here you go. Now in the middle, I would want you to now draw the body of the butterfly, the head, and two antennae. Okay, so I think we pretty much have our butterfly in place. I'm going to now use a Sharpie to kind of highlight it so that it looks a little bit more beautiful. So, and I'm going to also make some adjustments as we go along. So here is the wing, and then this here. And you can use whatever imagination you want to kind of decorate your butterfly with different types of dots or lines, and then of course you can color it as well. But that's a simple way to make a butterfly. I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching.